guys, welcome to another video. Today I'm looking at this push mower. This thing probably weighs 40 pounds at least. It's got rear wheel drive, which is nice, but this is probably one of the oldest mowers I'll be working on. I'm gonna see if it's gonna start. So some of the first things I always check when I look at a motor is if there's any gas in here, and it's bone dry. I don't see anything in there. It is absolutely bone dry. And then same with the oil. I check the oil, and if you drain both, there's nothing sitting in there, and it's very low. It's very low, and that makes me think maybe somebody drained it, which would be a good thing. So that's the air filter, which has definitely seen better days, but we're just trying to get it started, and then we'll get to the restoring. I'm guessing it's a bad spark, but I also have some fuel dripping down here near the carb. Time to take it apart. Look at that. So this entire project, the question is it worth it? And the answer is kind of no. Definitely no. If I order a carb for $30 and I put 2 hours of work into it and I sell it for 60 bucks, it's not worth it. However, the learning experience is what's worth it. So at this point, I've dissected the entire thing and I've learned a few things. I should have tried the choke on what I thought was the rear axle just to get it started, because it also says step when starting. I think it has to be walking. But the gas leak I found was coming from this cap here that was over the gas area. And as soon as I took it off, I said, what a horrible design. Oh, maybe this was another washer on top that fell out. What a horrible design as a gas choke throttle. So this is the carburetor here, and the gas is coming in through here. And as soon as it goes in here, it hits two holes. And you can see gas coming out now. And then depending on this lever, the gas will come up into this lever, back down into the other hole and feed the carburetor. Or you can block it by shutting it off like so it just hits this plastic cover. Now the reason that's a shitty design is because it's gonna hit the gasket when I stop it, and all the pressure is gonna be against the gasket. When I open it, it's gonna come into the plastic through the gasket and then back through the gasket again. Gaskets are just points of variable leaks. I mean, every time you have a gasket, it's like a junction, it's a union, it's another potential for a leak. A lot of the times now, it just feeds right in. You don't have an on and off. Yes! We got it, baby! Oh my god!